Hi there, my name is Nicole Vinson, and I wanted to come on today to talk about the difference between the three different adjusters that you may see on a file. If you have a claim against your own insurance company for property damage, oftentimes the vernacular and the language of who's involved can get a little confusing. So first we're going to start with the three different types of adjusters. In Florida, the licensure allows for three types. One is an adjuster who works for the insurance company. The second is an independent adjuster. And the third is a public insurance adjuster. So the number one is pretty easy to understand and most people get it. That's the carrier's adjuster. Oftentimes that person is licensed directly with the insurance company as their adjuster. Independent adjusters, that licensure has a little bit of a misconception. The adjuster might come to your property and say, hey, listen, I'm here as the independent adjuster. And you take a sigh of relief thinking, oh good, they're independent. What that really means is that their license allows them to work for multiple insurance companies throughout the state of Florida, and they're not beholden to one insurance carrier. But an independent insurance adjuster is not one that is legally allowed to advocate for you. An independent adjuster just means that they don't work for one particular carrier and they work at an independent agency. The public insurance adjuster is the only licensure in the state of Florida where they can advocate for you. A public insurance adjuster, and some of the best public adjusters, were formerly working for the carriers or working for multiple carriers and are now licensed to advocate only on behalf of policyholders. So this is the only type of adjuster that you can hire on your own to advocate for you. So when you hear public, you're going to want to think policyholder advocate. I encourage you, if you're at the point where you're thinking of hiring your own adjuster because you did not feel like you had justice with the carrier's adjuster or the independent adjuster, that you do an evaluation on the public insurance adjuster that you're hiring. The Florida Association of Public Insurance Adjusters is the organization that has high ethical standards, and you can look to see if the adjuster is a member of this organization. Do the research on the licensure. Not all adjusters are going to be the best fit for your claim, but I wanted to take a moment to actually explain the differences with the licensure. The carriers and the independent adjuster licenses work only for the insurance company or companies, and a public adjuster is allowed to advocate for a policyholder in the state of Florida. If you have more questions about this, you can contact our firm and we can go over any questions you have. Thank you.